we have removed the fuel tank and also the diff. So here. Wide open spaces. The BA wagon diff has been opened, cleaned. We have put the locked 3, 4, 5 gears in there. So it's just about ready to chuck in now. Should be good. The BA wagon diff is in. It's got the 3, 4, 6 gearing in it, the locked one, and it uses an AU aluminium tail shaft, a direct fit, so that makes life a lot easier. You can see that it's fairly close, but there's about 20mm left of play. I have a steel one too, which where the balancer is missing in the front, if we need a little bit more room when the suspension compresses. We have managed to fit in the AU fuel tank. This one's from an AU sedan. We just want to be able to run E85 and the galvanized tank. I think it'll just tend to rust a little bit too much with the E85. We're going to end up connecting the original to that one, but in the meantime we'll just fill it up in the boot. We do have to fill in all of the spaces, obviously, just with some sheet. So, progress.